Alright, so let me preface this video by saying once you replace the clock spring, you might end up with something like this, where your ABS light and your traction control light is on, and once you go to your OBD2 scanner, it comes up C1231, which is steering angle, and that's gonna be $130 at the dealer. That's something I cannot do. Alright, to the video. Okay, so you'll grab a flat screwdriver. There's 1, 2, and 3. There are 3. This is upside down. There are 3 holes, like almost where those little handles are right here. So you're gonna press inside until you feel spring, and then this is gonna release. So you're gonna do that on top too. See, it releases it right away. And then there's right here is it third one. I just need to find the spring. Where is it at? Come on. And there it is. Okay, so there. This is one, and now we have 2 airbags right here. So I'm just gonna use a little pick tool to go inside. Be careful not to break it. Pop it out. This is not popping out for some reason. I think this is melted. That's not good. That's no bueno. That's not good at all. What's up, guys? Welcome to the Aries Motor, home of the quick and easy, where nothing is quick, definitely not easy. Welcome, welcome, welcome. This is 2013 Scion FRS, and old man is replacing clock spring. As you can tell right here, look at those connectors. Those are connectors from the good unit, and this is how they look when they deploy the airbag. They get burnt and it's impossible to remove them, so they crack and they're done, they're garbage. So the first thing first you're gonna have to do, there's a 3 teeth, right? Show the teeth.
Top, and this and 3.
Yeah, so when you're taking it off,
You see, that's how you have channels. You see that these channels from this teeth to this.
yeah. Alrighty, so you're gonna just slowly. Let me just turn the light on. Like so. We're gonna remove that.
Make that easy to
Just
hold.
make a little bit more room.
That's a one teeth, another teeth.
And clicked in. That clicked in.
That's it. Now it's good.
Connect it back.
Now it's okay. This. That's it.
That's connected. And now we need to put a steering wheel back. It's right there.
No. First you need to put the cover. First cover, even the cover.
It's right there. Right here.
That cover.
Alright, so you're gonna have to put the plastic back, and you're gonna tilt the steering column all the way down. And then there's a connector over there behind for odometer. I just clicked in. Be careful and go about it slowly so you don't break anything. That's the top. Now you need a bottom plastic piece, and there are 2 bolts. Yes. But it's behind you, right there. Right there. No. Right there. You're looking at it. Just want to make sure that everything clicks in. Seated good.
Now click.
And there are 2 black Phillips head screws. Okay, so the second screw goes in. And now, that's for the hood. Now the steering wheel goes in. And you're gonna have to feed those 2. Little square. That's a connect those 2 connections. That's for a horn. And now there's a 15mm right there.
And ratchet on table.
Is that an 18 extension? Okay, so that's 18mm. I'm gonna have to check that later on. Right now I don't have it, but once you're taking it off, you can remove the column nut or steering wheel nut, and then just wiggle, take it with both hands and just wiggle it out.
Okay.
And
now we need to put the airbag.
You just need to put an airbag.
Check how much you need to take. Tight. A little bit.
Alright, so old man just torqued it.
That's a move and take out.
Yeah. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna
That's a
put a screwdriver.
Just push just like this.
And just push it. And there's 3 of them. 1 here, 1 here, and 1 on the bottom.
Yes, yes. You see this?
Yeah.
And bottom.
Yep, done. And that airbag pops out. Alright, where's the airbag?
No, trunk. Back some trunk. See, that's a foot ground.
I thought it was for a horn.
I think so, it's okay.
And then you just want to color match. Yellow with a yellow,
And just
and orange with the orange. Make sure it's that both are locked. And you're gonna need something like this. Small.
it.
So that's done. The job is done. Finito.
Tutto